Hi, we're the fifth grade team, and we're here to talk to you about some fractions today.
One simple tip we've found to be helpful is to use the following words when discussing fractions: out of and equal parts. For example, 1/4 is one out of 4 equal parts. 3/5 is 3 out of 5 equal parts. Sometimes this extra wording or explanation can help kids make sense of fractions. Fractions are used in everyday life. We use them when we cook and bake. Anytime you can have your child help measure ingredients in the kitchen will strengthen their understanding. Doubling a recipe or cutting one in half can be a great way to start a math conversation.
Fractions can be seen when shopping. For example, after the first of the year, many items will go on sale. Winter clothing might be half off, so a coat that was originally $50 would be on sale for $25. You could have your child figure out the sale price. Sales also use percents off. Percents are fractions with 100 as the denominator. So 25% equals 25/100ths, or about 1/4, or 1 out of 4, meaning you could divide the normal price by 4 to find the amount of savings on your coat. You can also start a math conversation when adding tips to restaurant bills. 20% is equivalent to 2 out of $10.
Another way you can talk about talk about fractions at home is the use of sports statistics. For example, for baseball, if a hitter goes 3 for 5, that means he hit the ball 3 times out of 5 at bats, which means he has a batting average of 600 or 600. Another example is a basketball player's shooting percentage. You can take their shots divided by how many times they shot, and that can equal a fraction, a decimal, and a percentage. So it's a good way to mix in everything. Lastly, one website that we recommend looking at is a website called mathplayground.com, and this has a lot of tremendous engaging activities for students to play around with math, from changing fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions, percentages, and also comparing fractions and decimals.
Thanks for taking the time to watch our video today. We appreciate all of your involvement with your student at home.